Attention! Tap into fast-growing $284 billion website creation industry to make consistent income right from your home. JVZoo's first and only powerful website builder that creates stunning WordPress websites and stores for any business in just 7 minutes. Easily create and sell websites, stores, marketplaces or blogs for big profits to dentists, attorney, gyms, spas, restaurants, cafes, retail stores, bookshops, coaches and 100+ other niches. David positioned himself as an expert in his niche, attracting high-profile clients with DreamSite Pro. Proudly presenting. From unleashing the full AI power without any limits or restrictions, access 50 mind-blowing AI features to stun you and your customers. Take a look at what freelancers and agencies are charging for such WordPress website creation services and start your own 6-figure business in few minutes. This awesome live training will help you to build a 6-figure business, plus 3 lucky attendees will be selected randomly to win $100 cash each. And there will be a live Q&A session at the end of the training. Explore comprehensive video training sessions that guide you through the step-by-step process of launching your online business. Learn essential strategies, tools, and insights to kickstart and grow your venture successfully. Discover the power of selling WordPress websites and running your own web agency in easy, step-by-step video training. Join now to learn practical tips and tricks for success in a fun and engaging live session. Discover effective strategies for boosting your sales. Learn practical tips and techniques that will help you increase your revenue and grow your business quickly. So, you can buy with full confidence and try DreamSite Pro for yourself and for your clients risk-free. If you face any issue or don't get results you desired after using it, just raise a ticket on support desk within 30 days and we'll refund you everything, down to the last penny. We would like to clearly state that we do not offer a no questions asked money-back guarantee. You must provide a genuine reason when you contact our support, and we will refund your hard-earned money. Yes. You simply download the themes with one click, upload them to WordPress, and boom, you're ready to go. It's quick and easy, making your website setup a breeze. We know the worth of your money. You can be rest assured that your investment is as safe as houses. However, we would like to clearly state that we don't offer a no questions asked money back guarantee. You must provide a genuine reason and show us proof that you did everything before asking for a refund. Yes, our platform is built with having all prescribed guidelines and compliances in consideration. We make constant efforts to ensure that we follow all the necessary guidelines and regulations. Still, we request all users to read very careful about third-party services which are not a part of DreamSite Pro while choosing it for your business. The word lifetime applies to the lifetime of the product. This average lifetime of a product of this nature and price to be supported is approximately 5 years. Well, we have a nice comparison chart with other service providers. We won't like to boast much about our software, but we can assure you that this is a cutting-edge technology that will enable you to help local DreamSite Pro go digital at such a low introductory price. There are no monthly fees to use it during the launch period. During this period, you pay once and never again. We always believe in providing complete value for your money. However, there are upgrades as upsell which requires monthly payment, but it's 100% optional and not mandatory for working with DreamSite Pro. Those are recommended if you want to multiply your benefits. Yes. We have created a detailed and step-by-step video training that shows you how to get set up everything quick and easy. You can access to the training in the members area. You will also get premium customer support so you never get stuck or have any issues. Yes. We've already stated that DreamSite Pro is a web-based solution. So, it runs directly on the web and works across all browsers and all devices. Disclaimer: please note that this product does not provide any guarantee of income or success. The results achieved by the product owner or any other individuals mentioned are not indicative of future success or earnings. This website is not affiliated with Facebook or any of its associated entities. Once you navigate away from Facebook, the responsibility for the content and its usage lies solely with the user. All content on this website, including but not limited to text, images, and multimedia, is protected by copyright law and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Unauthorized copying, duplication, modification, or theft, whether intentional or unintentional, is strictly prohibited. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We want to clarify that JVZoo serves as the retailer for the products featured on this site. JVZoo is a registered trademark of BBC Systems Inc., a Florida corporation located at 1809 E Broadway Street, Suite 125, Oviedo, Florida, 32765, USA, and is used with permission. The role of JVZoo as a retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claims, statements, or opinions used in their promotion.